Okay, go get the ball. Hey, this is Daughter-Father Day. Jessica and I are going to go find something to do. Thank you. Okay, me and my charming daughter are playing around with a cedar tree. We're going to go down to check out some water, but we're just going to look. Okay, we're going to walk back now. Okay, just went for a little walk in the small wilderness nearby where our house is. Okay, here's a grasshopper. Okay, we're done over at the tennis courts for now. We will look for birds. Saw some grasshoppers, and we heard the birds, and we were looking for birds down here. Okay, go to the beach. So we're in the back of the car playing and eating and playing. We brought our food, and I brought my guitar. Okay, we're gonna go to this beach out here. Fairly nice beach. You wanna go home or you wanna go to the beach? Okay, let's go to the beach. Okay, we're down here at the beach. Yeah, there's some birds over there. It's really super low tides. I don't know if it's a minus, but this is really a lowland area. We're gonna play with the seashells, mussels, and some little stones. Yeah, we can take a walk down here and look at the birds here in a moment, but for now we're gonna play with the seashell. She sees the birds. We're gonna play with the seashells and then go down. Oh, she saw the birds. All right, we're gonna walk down and take a look at the birds. Take a look at the birds? Yeah, we're gonna go walk and take a look at the birds. That's a big truck. He's doing a turnaround. He's parking, that's okay. It's okay, we'll walk away. Yeah, that's air. Yeah, that air scares us. It startles us, it doesn't scare us. It shocks us. Here we go for a walk. So there's a lot of seagulls. Seagulls fly up after they get a mussel or a clam, and then they drop it all the way up from up there onto the asphalt or the concrete, and then they eat the goods that are inside it. There's not a lot of birds out this morning. There's a few right there. Okay, we're gonna walk down to this bridge. We walk over here to a gazebo and a metal bridge that they put in, just steel that will oxidize. It's just a steel bridge that they recently built. I hear the birds. There's a bird right there. That's a crow and a seagull. The white ones are seagulls and the black ones are crows. Oh, there they go. Look. Yeah, we're standing in Port Orchard, Sinclair Inlet, looking at the birds. Super low tide. We have crows and seagulls all over the place. Anyway, we're gonna walk around a bit and then go back and get some breakfast. She's looking at sea life, seashells. You wanna go walking? Back to the car. Are your feet hurting with your brand new shoes? Got these beautiful shoes, pink and gray. Daddy's got gray shoes. We have metal birds, steel birds. And there's a seagull flying around in circles. Anyway, we're gonna play with these seashells and then we're gonna go home. Yeah, the young seagulls are brown. The older adults turn white. Okay, so here's a younger one. A younger seagull. And there's the counterpart right there. Nice to be able to be free for a little bit, to be available to spend a little time with my daughter at the beach, the tennis courts, the park, walking around across bridges, checking out wildlife, lots of stuff, playing in the sand, playing in the crushed seashells. Yeah, that's a dandelion. This is called, dedicated to the U.S. Armed Services veterans, called Victory. Okay, we're heading home. All right, so we played down at the beach. Sweetheart, we're back now. We're back home now, so we're gonna get some breakfast and some little bit of rest.